Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add newsletter email on your Shopify store. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your online store here and then go to themes. And then after that you can go to customize here. I'm using down theme for now. Okay, so this is my homepage and in the left side there are header, template and footer. I'm going to add newsletter on the template. I will add section here, click add section, then you can search email and choose this one, email sign up, and there will be new section like this, and you can edit the text. So maybe subscribe subscribe to our newsletter, and also you can edit the description, the text, maybe like this, get 25% of discount code, maybe like this. And yeah, it's up to you. And also you can move it, you can drag it to in the top, or it up to you. It's up to you. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.